Are you trying to decide between Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, and Zelle? While all four let you send and receive money, they have different fees, features, security, and ideal use cases. So in today's video, we will compare all four payment apps side by side so you can choose the best one for your needs. So here's what each app is best known for. Basically, Cash App is great for quick peer-to-peer payments, investing in stocks and Bitcoin, and of course, using a cash card. PayPal is best for online shopping, international payments, and business transactions, while Venmo is popular for splitting bills and social payments among friends. And of course, Zelle is designed for fast bank-to-bank transfers with no separate wallet balance. Now, Cash App is a mobile financial app that lets users send, receive, and manage money from their smartphones. So one of the best features is sending and receiving money instantly between Cash App users, receiving paychecks through direct deposits, and of course you can use a customizable Cash App debit card or the Cash App card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Buying and selling Bitcoin and investing in stocks were available depending on your country and region, and saving money with built-in savings features. The good thing is Cash App is free to download and standard transfers between users are generally free. However, some services such as instant transfers to a bank account or using a credit card to send money may include fees. PayPal is an online payment platform that lets individuals and businesses send, receive, and manage money electronically. It acts as a secure intermediary so you don't have to share your bank account or credit card details directly with every seller. So one of its main features include sending money to friends and family where available, paying online for purchases at millions of merchants, receiving payments if you sell products or services, supporting multiple payment methods including linked bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards, buyers and seller protections for many eligible transactions, helping resolve certain disputes. And for example, if you are shopping online and see a Pay with PayPal button, you can log into your PayPal account to complete the purchase without giving the website your card number directly. PayPal is available in many countries, although available features and fees vary by region, and some services such as currency conversion or international transfers may involve fees. Meanwhile, Venmo is a mobile payment service that lets people quickly send and receive money using a smartphone app. With Venmo, you can send money to friends or family, you can request money from others, split shared expenses like restaurant bills or rent, and you can pay some online and in-store merchants. To use it, you typically need to download the Venmo app, create an account, and verify your identity if required, like a bank account, debit card, or credit card, and then you can send or receive money using someone's username, phone number, or QR code. Now, the good thing about Venmo is that transfers between Venmo users are usually instant. Standard transfers to a bank account are typically free, while instant bank transfers usually have a fee. Venmo is primarily available to people in the United States, so it generally can't be used as an international money transfer service. Now, for our last contender, which is Zelle, it is a digital payment service that lets people in the United States send and receive money directly between bank accounts, often within minutes. It's commonly built into the mobile apps of many US banks and credit unions. So all you have to do is enroll your email address or US mobile phone number through your bank's app or the Zelle app, where it is available. To send money, you need to enter the recipient's email or phone number and the amount. If the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle, the money is typically available within minutes. Now, you can use Zelle to split restaurant bills, pay rent to someone they knew, reimburse friends or family, or you can even send gifts. A few important things to know that no fees are typically charged by Zelle itself, through your bank's policies may vary. It's intended for sending money to people you know and trust because payments are usually instant and difficult or impossible to reverse. Zelle is primarily available to customers with eligible US bank accounts, so if you are outside the US, you generally won't be able to use it. Okay? Now, the question is, which one should you choose? So you choose Cash App if you are a side hustler, crypto users, or you want a simple all-in-one money app. But the limitation is it is not widely accepted as PayPal. Okay? Now you choose PayPal, which is the most popular and the global option, which you can use for online shopping protection and accepts payments for businesses and supports multiple currencies. So it's best for freelancers, international payments, online shopping, but the fees can be higher than the others. Now, you choose Venmo if you feel that you wanted to send payments to your friends and roommates, dining and bills, or a casual everyday payments. Again, the limitation is mostly this is US focus and less business functionality. And finally, you have Zelle, which is the fastest but most limited. So you choose Zelle if you want buyer protection but you don't have enough store balance. Sending money right now is easier than ever, but choosing the right app is confusing. So you choose Zelle for speed, you choose Cash App for features, you choose Venmo for social use, and for global reach, you choose PayPal. All right? Remember, Cash App is for flexibility plus investing. PayPal is for online shopping and international payments. You choose Venmo for everyday social payments and Zelle for instant bank transfers. Now, most people that I know, including myself, using 2 or 3 of these apps together, not just one. Because most of the time, I use Cash App if I want an all-in-one financial app with investing features. Because most of the time, I use Cash App if I want an all-in-one financial app with investing features. And I use PayPal if I wanted to shop online, maybe run a business, or need international payments. And I use Venmo if I wanted to split expenses with friends and family. And last, I use Zelle if I just needed the fastest free bank transfer to people that I trust. Ultimately, the best app depends on how you use your money. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.